I'm back with another analysis on DXY US dollar index. As my final conclusion, I'm expecting sharp uptrend both on hourly and daily chart, and also regular uptrend on the weekly chart, which I will discuss about it in more detail in a second. But have a better understanding, let's jump into the chart itself. Starting from the weekly, as you can see, we had an impulsive wave here, uptrend, creating a higher high, and then followed by a reversal to 50 percentage, creating a double bottom, and also on the previous support zone. And if you just take a closer look, the previous weekly candle, it was a hammer, which is a sign of a reversal on this 50 percentage, which is one of the destinations of the corrective structure as well as the support zone. Jumping into the daily chart to take a closer look to this reversal, we can see we had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave corrective structure as this corrective structure, which the third wave is an extension itself, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which the fifth wave of it is also an obvious 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, followed by a side wave corrective structure as the fourth wave of this major wave, impulsive downtrend, and the fifth to this support zone, followed by an ABC to only 38 percentage, as well as these resistance levels that I've just highlighted, and then reverse back to the support zone for the third time. We actually recognized this engulfing pattern previous weeks, and also now we are seeing we have the inverted hammer after some kind of consolidations on this level. We are seeing that we have an inverted hammer also created on the daily chart in the previous day. Taking a closer look to this final comeback to this support zone, we can see after this major ABC reaching to this resistance level, we have had a five-wave structure, impulsive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which the fifth wave is an ending diagonal with a five-wave structure, but shrink wave, which the fourth wave has been entered into the first wave somewhere between 1 and 2. And then after reaching to these, we see in some candlestick patterns, also support zone, that we actually signal a reversal, but we are seeing some consolidations here, and due to some bad news on the dollar. But however, for have a better understanding of these, I have cooked a little bit more analysis of this hourly chart, which I usually don't do that, but just to clarify what just happened last week, I'm seeing, and after this reversal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave structure as the first wave of this reversal, with the truncation of the fifth wave, creating this double top, and then after that we have a long ABC. Again, a consolidation is in more detail is obvious here, to 78 percentage, which is actually the corrective structure of this previous impulsive wave. And also this ABC has created a divergence of MACD, which again another signal of the reversal ending of this ABC corrective structure against the main trend. Then after that, you are seeing a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave structure to this previous resistance level, and with complete 5 wave structure, and then reverse back as a corrective structure to 61 percentage, which all with all those patterns and everything from weekly to hourly, even lower time frame of 1 hour chart, I'm seeing a big potential, very sharp momentum is expected, and this hourly resistance level, which usually these resistance levels are not that much powerful, I'm expecting a breakout to that with actually a sharp momentum to the top. This is my personal expectation, but we might see more consolidation. That's another possibilities, of course, but I'm guessing it is going to be a sharp reversal. I'm expecting after this whole consolidation, we are seeing an uptrend on the hourly chart. On the daily, if you go to a 4 hour, as we discussed about that, we had these actually 5 wave structure. We are expecting a reversal here, On the daily, I'm also, after seeing this inverted hammer engulfing pattern, I'm expecting a sharp momentum after these things. So moving up to this resistance zone is somewhere in the middle with a sharp momentum is expected. And on the weekly, I'm expecting a regular just coming back. We're seeing the final candle was just some sort of a doji, which up and down weeks are somehow equal, this last candle. So it is somehow sellers and buyers were actually fighting last week with each other. That's why we had that consolidation. But I'm guessing that this regular momentum coming back to top somewhere in the middle of this support and resistance zone in the long term is expected. So as we saw initially, I'm expecting sharp uptrend on both hourly and daily chart, and on weekly I'm expecting regular uptrend. Now you know the details and you know the reasons why I'm thinking as such. That's why my analysis on DXY. Hope you enjoyed, and until next analysis, thanks for watching and have a great day.